In this video, I'm going to show you how to get into TradeLocker. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to TradeLocker.com and then you want to hit the Start Trading button up top right. And here you then want to find your broker. You can of course continue with a prop firm if you want to find a challenge as well, but the easiest way is to just find a broker over here, and then you want to pick one of their brokers over here. Of course, some of them have free demos, some of them don't, so you can filter by these as well, and then you'll be able to see which are available. You then have to select one of these brokers and then create your account. So for example, I created an account with Hero FX, which offers a free demo. So you just want to click on the one you like. It doesn't really matter. You can select which one. Make sure you do your research before you actually sign up. And then you want to go to their website by clicking on them. And then you want to first register. And then once you register for the broker, make sure you log in as well. And after you log in, you will see their dashboard. Now, of course, the dashboard is going to differ between different brokers. But for example, on Hero FX and on many others, usually you have to look for the Accounts tab here somewhere on the left. And then you have to open up either a real, so a live, or a demo account by, of course, clicking one of the two options, which usually are very apparent. And after you do that, obviously, you'll be able to just create a live or demo account. And then once you do that, like I did over here, your credentials to sign into TradeLocker will be sent to your email. Now, once you have your email, go to either demo.tradelocker.com if you have created a demo account, or live.tradelocker.com if you've created a live account. You can also switch in between the two up here with this button. And then after you've done that, you want to, of course, first put in your email, and then inside your email you received, you'll be able to see your password as well, which you can copy and paste, and then your server too. And then once you paste all that in here, press on login. And then in just a few seconds, you'll be signed in and you've successfully gotten into TradeLocker. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.